It's done. It's done. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that turned out awesome. Check that out. You can see the patterns from my build plate on there. That turned out awesome. That is so cool. Get in the center of the camera might help. Now my light here has an adjustable, so I can turn it down if I don't want it so bright. If you just want a light glow, or crank it up. Now I get these off of AliExpress. They're LED disc. There's also a tea light option if you want to put that in there. I found the Modular Lantern on MakerWorld.com. It's by Trusted Developments. Go check it out.